Hello and welcome to the beautiful city of Luang Prabang in the north of Laos. This city has plenty to do, so let's run through 5 must-do activities to make the most of your time here. I'll also chuck in a few bonus activities that you can do if you can't get enough of the place. Speaking of a bonus activity, let's quickly talk about how we got here. In my previous video, you can see how we got to Luang Prabang on a 2-day public slow boat from the Thailand and Laos border. Now, this is an activity that I couldn't recommend enough to do. It's a fantastically peaceful 2 days with incredible views and great company. Go watch the video if you haven't already. Alright, enough self-promo. Let's crack on with the 5 unmissable activities in the city of Luang Prabang. Hello everyone and welcome to Luang Prabang here in Laos. We just rented some bikes for 170,000 each. Probably negotiate a bit cheaper, but this place is right next to where we're staying in our hostel, so we've just gone for this option. As always, we're backpacking, we're on a budget, but we're trying to do as much as possible. So join us and let's explore Luang Prabang. Woo! It's about an hour drive from Luang Prabang to Kuang Si Waterfalls on a bike. The scenery along the road is spectacular, but beware of the potholes that litter the road. Alright everyone, we are here at the Kuang Si Waterfalls. We've just parked our bike. You have to pay 5,000 kip for parking. Just bought our tickets, 60,000 kip, and I'm in awe. I'm surprised. This place is so touristy. Look at this. You get a little bus to the waterfall. There's a ticket that you got to scan in. I don't know. I didn't expect this. I thought we were literally going to rock up, walk through like a path, dirt path, and then we'll be at the waterfalls. But guess we're not. Here we go. Kuang Si Waterfall. Let's get it. All right, we are here. Bus is moving now. And we're here with, here's a bus, Tash,
hi,
Freddie,
hi,
Mia, hi. Ellen, who's very good at filming on a GoPro.
Oh, it's me.
Trevor. Off we go, waterfalls everyone. This is the most China thing I've ever experienced outside of China.
This is literally 1 kilometer away. You can walk up this road and get to the same place. Yeah.
Don't we need the golf buggy?
We do. The golf buggy dropped us outside the entrance of the waterfall area. Before you reach the waterfall though, you need to first walk past the bear sanctuary. This felt a bit out of place, but the project is run by a charity that rescue bears from the horrific bear bile trade. I didn't even know this trade existed beforehand, but it seems like the charity are doing a very good job. The waterfalls themselves are very picturesque. The water is crystal clear and there are plenty of swimming spots to choose from as there are several different pools. You have to walk a good 10 minutes or so though before you get to see the main waterfall itself. And here is the main waterfall. According to a local legend, these falls were formed when a wise old man revealed the waters of the Nam Sea by digging deep into the earth. They look incredible. Apparently there was an earthquake in 2001. So that meant a massive rock fell, and this is how it used to look like, but nowadays there's no big rock, so it's slightly less. But even so, I think it looks incredible. You can see where the big rock used to be. Spectacular really. In person it looks incredible, and it goes all the way up. Let's try and get a better angle now. Freddie, what do you reckon?
It's nice, isn't it? What's a bit of a view?
I'm too sure. It's not lousy.
Hey.
It is in Laos, so it is lousy, but there you go. We try our best on this channel. We enjoyed the views of the Kuang Si Waterfall for a little while until we noticed that there were paths leading up either side of it. We chose to go up the right side and it was pretty steep and slippery due to the rain. We weren't sure what was waiting for us at the top, but boy, did we get a pleasant surprise. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. That's the top of the waterfall there. Do not fall down that, you will be dead. Very nice. There are people swimming up here, so we're also going to swim.
You think I can dive?
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's fairly deep, yeah.
Ready?
Go on, have a dive. Whee! Could you dive?
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Tash was right, the water was freezing. As I felt my body parts shrivel up though, I couldn't help but be overcome with a feeling of peace that wasn't there at the bottom of the waterfall. It really felt like we had our own private pool. We then paid the local guy 20,000 kip to show us the source of the waterfall. We didn't travel too far on the bamboo raft, so we reached it pretty quickly. It didn't look like much, but we were about to find out some surprising facts. So this is the source of the river, and it is 45-meter deep cave system.
Yeah.
Wow.
Deep 45 meter inside.
Really? Wow.
When you stop, no swimming, no yum, no diving. With the photo, okay.
Yeah.
When you swimming here, okay. When you stop, no swimming, no yum, no diving.
Oh, too dangerous. Oh, okay. Interesting.
Name Lao, Tat Kuang Si.
Tat Kuang Si.
Yeah.
Oh.
English like deer. Water.
Oh, lovely.
Waterfall.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the knowledge. You said it's okay to swim in this area here because it's not a massive cave system like back there. Yeah. Beautiful waterfall. Wow. Wow, that was splendid. Lovely. Enjoyed that a lot. Didn't really go too far, but lovely experience. And now we're going to walk back down. So like 4:30 now, so the place shuts in half an hour. Probably not time to do much else, but hey, we're hungover today. We had a late start, so the fact we even made it in the first place, we're troopers.
I want to go like...
He was from Melbourne.
We've gone to the UXO Visitor Centre, UXO Museum. UXO stands for Unexploded Ordnance because Laos is the most bombed country in the world, historically. Here's some of the shells, some of the bombs. It's going to be a very interesting experience, I think, but people definitely still die to this day from these bombs. I'm not sure how many.
Sorry, that's really bad.
And look, here we go. Even just here, you get a first taste of Luang Prabang. This area, just this province, this isn't the whole country, this is just the province. Look how many bombs there were. All of the red marks. Insane. Alright, let's find out about it. To put it in perspective, from 1964 to 1973, Laos was bombed by the US on average once every 8 minutes. Many of these bombs remain unexploded today and pose a serious threat in harming the local people. This visitor centre gives you the chance to learn more about the secret war in Laos and is free to enter. Prepare for some heavy and upsetting material when you're there. It is well worth your time though to learn the history and the programs that are in place to clear up the unexploded ordnance today. Whoa, we're here, Luang Prabang again. My hair's a bit longer, my beard's a bit longer. It's been a couple of weeks and we have also became a throuple. We have an extra man, Nick.
How's it going, guys?
Fans on the channel may remember.
When he tried to be cool on tape
Yeah,
playing volleyball.
here he is playing volleyball in Parenting Islands.
You ready for this shit? You fucking ready for this? Yeah, what I missed. I served.
Anyway, enough of this.
We're gonna take you guys up the Phousi Hill.
Correct. We're going to Phousi Hill, aka Phousi Hill. We're going up. I think we have to pay an entry fee. It's only going to take 20 minutes to go up to the top.
Is there actually an entry fee?
They're having sex.
What the fuck is that?
It's a slug. It's a very common bug.
Why are they like flat?
I've never seen worms. Fuck.
They're millipede.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, it's going to be 20 minutes up to the top. So let's go now. See sunset. Phousi Hill is a 100-metre high hill in the heart of the old town of Luang Prabang. A popular sunset view spot. You can walk around the lower areas for free, but if you want to go right to the top, you need to pay. So we do need to buy a ticket to get to the very top, 30,000 kip each. Let's get that done.
That's steep.
What the hell? Wowee. Let me guess, this is the viewpoint? Got a temple on top, Phousi Temple.
Let's have a quick meditation.
Let's have a quick look at the view. A lot of people around.
Did you say Nick?
No.
I'll start a quick meditation.
Meditation. This is the low season, by the way, and busy. busy. Can't imagine what it's like in the high season. It's beautiful though. Absolutely stunning. Alright, we stayed at the top just for a little bit. Not too long, 5-10 minutes. I think we saw plenty to satisfy us. We're not going to stay for the full sunset, but it's beautiful. Really like the walk?
One of the people in the group was complaining relentlessly, and I won't say who it is.
I have been a mosquito's platter this evening. This moss is just so cool.
I'd recommend that.
It? It's like the carpet.
The AstroTurf.
So nice.
This is like the moss that Tarzan slides on.
Highly recommend that. It's beautiful. And it didn't take too long, like 15 minutes. Easy enough, hey? Let's head back down. Hello, it is our last day in Luang Prabang. And today we're going to Le Banneton, which apparently is the best bakery in Luang Prabang. So we've got to check it out because the French colonised this country back in the day. One of their lasting legacies is the food, the bakeries. So let's check it out. Ooh.
This is what dreams are made of.
Danish with apricot.
This is my favourite dessert ever.
Hey, it looks really good. Prices aren't too bad really, yeah. 25,000 for one, so it's like £1. Beautiful little place. Lovely little cakes and things. And they also have a menu where you can order food. Have you seen all the cheese? Look at all the cheese.
Do we order if we want something now? Okay, can I get apricot Danish?
I have to say, it looks absolutely phenomenal. It is just, we're in France, baby.
It's what I need right now. I love my noodles, I love my rice, but right now some camembert's going to go down a treat.
Yeah, it's really well priced as well, to be fair, for what it is. I'm not sure what I'm going to get, to be honest. You can get like a veggie lasagna.
Oh, Johnny, they've got a pesto on. Tomato, mozzarella.
Ooh.
Post Americano?
Yes, thank you.
I don't know, I'll decide. I'll let you know what I get.
Metal straws.
Is it yummy?
Really, it's like we're in Europe. It's proper.
Proper?
Genuine, yeah.
I got this one, a brioche Swiss. Let's give it a go. Oh my god.
What's in yours?
Chocolate. That is divine.
Oh, your tea, Danny. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, thank you. Amazing. Guys, we've made the right decision. Guys, I'm not exaggerating when I say that this is as good as a bakery in France. We got some baguettes this time and the bread was so fresh. As Freddie said, sometimes you just need a taste of the West and this is by far the best place in town to do it. When we came back to Luang Prabang a week later, we kept coming back here for more. Make sure to try the Marie sandwich if you go yourself. I promise that you won't be disappointed. Le Banneton, c'est bon. Luang Prabang has a great night market. On one side, you indulge in a wide variety of delicious food. On the other side, you walk through an alley of vendors selling some pretty great souvenirs for Southeast Asian standards. One thing to note though is that there aren't really any vegetarian options. You join us now as we do get one of the few veggie foods here, ice cream. What am I witnessing right now?
Have you seen these before? I've seen them on like social media. No.
I've never seen it in person.
No, I've
I've never seen a video.
I've gone for chocolate, Tash has gone for milk.
This is like one of the most aesthetically pleasing things to watch.
I've never been more mesmerised in my life.
Wow, team.
Cup chai. Lovely. How is it, Tash?
Really nice, yeah.
Yum.
I like it.
Good.
Different way to eat ice cream.
Yeah, it looks like nice. I'll give mine a try. Shocky one.
Oh my god.
I both don't remember the taxi.
Oh, that's delicious. I want to try yours, huh?
That's a fail.
But the rest of the night I do remember.
Oh, yum. Yeah, this part of the night market is the area of the clothing and the souvenirs and other. It's not really tat, to be honest. It's quite a lot of good things.
A lot of handcrafts.
Yeah, lots of handcrafted things. Beautiful shirts, nice key rings. As far as night markets go, this one is up there. It's pretty decent. I really enjoy these things as well. Alright, so we've been walking around like 5 minutes. Freddie's just bought a scarf for his mother. It's a lovely blue and gold number. She said 100,000 initially, and Freddie bartered hard and got it down to 85,000.
They got the boys.
A lot of people are packing up on
Go on. Yeah, it's not. So what's the time now? Let's have a look.
9:45.
9:45. So the time's 9:45 and already people are starting to pack up. So I reckon it closes around 10ish, maybe half 10, 11. But get here earlier and you'll be alright, I reckon. At the end of the market, you will reach one of the prettiest roads in the old town. There's a reason this area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so go ahead and get lost in the streets around here in your own time. That brings us to the end of the 5 unmissable things to do in Luang Prabang. I've got 2 bonus activities for you though. Firstly, if you choose to do the Kuang Si Waterfall, you can stop at a buffalo farm along the way. This farm is called Lao Buffalo Dairy, and the place partners with people from the surrounding villages to bring their water buffalo to the farm to get milked. As a result, the place produces dairy, and you can even do a cheese tasting, which we did. Some of the cheeses were hits, and some were, well, big misses. You can also pay to milk one of the buffaloes here if that's what you want to do. The other bonus activity here in Luang Prabang is a hilarious one. The city has no nightclubs, and the only place to go out after midnight is a bowling alley run by the local mafia. No, I'm not joking. I promise you that this will be one of the funniest nights out you'll ever have due to the pure bizarreness of it all. I've never played bowling drunk at 3 AM, but my god, what a thing it is to do. Oh yeah, and they also have archery. Giving drunk tourists a bow and arrow couldn't possibly go wrong, right? Let me know what your favourite activities in Luang Prabang are, and if I've missed any of them. It's a really great city, and you should definitely visit on your trip to Laos and Southeast Asia as a whole. So, what are you waiting for? Buy that ticket on the slow boat and head to Luang Prabang now.